Hey kiddo, this one's for you. I know you've probably had late nights, lots of exams, and probably way too much fast food. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a snack that is definitely going to be better than all of those. It's easy, comforting, and you love it. So today we're making Spam Masubi. For this you'll need 1 can of Spam, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Mirin, 2 cups of cooked rice, 1/4 cup of sugar, and some Furikake for topping. And I tend to put a little bit of sushi seasoning into my rice because I like that vinegar flavor. So before I get too long-winded, let's get going. Put a pan onto the heater. Well, it's not a heater, but we'll be all right. Let's get a good sizzle on the Spam. First thing, you have to open the can of Spam and cut it. That usually helps. So I like to cut it into 7 equal parts. I think that's where I find you get the best bang for your buck. So here we go. We'll get the Spam, put it in the pan, start to sizzle. We can put our soy sauce, our mirin, and our sugar in a bowl and stir it. I like to add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of green onion and some jalapenos to give it a little kick. It makes it taste really delicious. As you can hear my dog's barking. He likes to bark a lot. What we're looking for is a nice golden brown. Sushi Nori. The best way to prepare this is to look at it. It's got lines on it, but basically cut it directly in half. That's the easiest way. If you would like strips, cut it in thirds. I like the flavor of seaweed, so I like to put a little bit more on there. Set that aside. Let's check on this baby. Ooh, she's getting nice and golden brown. That's what we're looking for. Once you got a good golden brown, I like to turn down the stove. Remove the pan from the heat. Trust me, you don't want to burn it. I like to give the sauce one last little stir. And cover the top with the teriyaki sauce. Let it sit for a few. This is where the magic happens. The crispy, salty, tangy. Flip it over. Coat this side. If you could only smell this. There, it's looking beautiful. Once both sides are coated, we're ready to assemble. So, what I like to do is take your nori, set it down, and get yourself one of these. It's a Masubi press. It's worth its weight in gold. I like to set it dead center. Take about 1/3 cup of my sushi rice. Put it down in there. I like Furikake, so I'll put it on there, but it also helps my press not stick. I like to take this, press it down, press it through, whoop, and top it. Before you do that, I like to pour this caramely, yummy goodness right over it. Ooh, no need to let that go to waste. Set your fried Spam right on there. Ooh. Little water on the edge. Roll it. Try to roll it tight. Bam. And there you have it. One Spam Masubi. I know we're a few time zones away, but making this always brings me closer to you. Love you, proud of you, and remember, you're just one Masubi away from having a piece of home. That one may even be better than the last one. Ooh, no need to let that go to waste.